Today, I will teach you how to use the honey tank with heater. Firstly, please connect the pipe to the faucet and the filling port. Observe the water level through the red floating ball in the level gauge. When the red float is 5 centimeters from the top, stop filling water. Then confirm that all valves or switches can be opened and closed normally. Plug in the power and the red indicator lights on. Open the insulation lid and pour the honey into the tank. Turn on the temperature switch clockwise to adjust to 45 until the green indicator light is on. That means the honey finished heating. Open the honey outlet to flow out honey. During the process of honey flow, please observe the water level of the liquid level gauge at all times. When the red floating ball is not visible, please repeat the water injection step. If you're interested in it, please contact us via WhatsApp. Thanks!